curious creators. My name is Heather and welcome once again to the Mythrose channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clone or flat pattern your favorite pair of underwear using an old t-shirt. Let's get started. You will need some paper, fabric scissors, regular scissors, straight pins, some markers, a t-shirt, some underwear, and a sewing machine or needle and thread. Be sure the stretchiness of your t-shirt and underwear are comparable. If the t-shirt is less stretchy, make the pattern slightly bigger, and vice versa. Here I'm pinning the underwear to the paper. I can pin straight down because it's on styrofoam. I make sure to follow the seams of the back piece first, and then we'll do the front piece later. Once pinned, trace carefully not to get any marker on your underwear, making sure to keep the lines as close to the garment as possible. Repeat those steps for the front. Because the front is smaller than the back, I'm using a straight pin to poke holes into the paper underneath to make a guide for tracing. Because the garment does not sit flat, I had to fold it and then flip it over to make sure I trace the whole piece. Fold both pieces in half and trim them to make them symmetrical. If they're very different shapes, you may need to start again. Now pin the paper pieces onto more paper and trace again. Here I'm adding a seam allowance to the crotch seam, side seams, and waistband. You may also want to add it to the leg holes if you're going to turn it in or add some elastic. Pin side seams and crotch seams together. Here I've serged the side seams and crotch seams together. This can also be done with a zigzag stitch. I've also finished off the leg holes and waistband, which is unnecessary. The rest is all optional. Now I'm turning in the waistband and leg holes approximately 3/8 of an inch and pinning. I I ironed that and removed the pins. Now I will be adding elastic that I previously measured by stretching around my waistband and legs and sewing together to make a loop. I begin by matching up the seam of the elastic to the seam of the underwear. I then pin the rest by finding the middle of the elastic and the middle of the underwear in smaller and smaller sections to evenly distribute the elastic. I attach it with a zigzag stitch. Ta-da! And that's it! Easy peasy! I hope you learned something and had fun today, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. If you have any questions, or had any problems, or it went really, really well. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and sew you later.